everyone, we're going to make something epic here. So here also we have olive, and then we have water, and we have fruit coloring. And this I don't know, but it's a round shape or something. Yeah, but you can read it here. And so, first thing first, you need this. Ask for your parents to help. This is enough. Oh. Seriously. Now step 2, put water in. And she knows. If you want to know the experiment, you can see the water is from under. Then, food coloring. 10 drops. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yummy. Put your security for hands before you do it. Of course. Oh, the food coloring will all stick on your hand. Darn it. Okay, I need help. Dad, come here to help me. I cannot open this thing. So annoying.
Oh, me neither. Mommy, help me.
What are you saying? Thanks, Dad. Now. Not just drop it. Okay, so like that. And then like that. Is it happening? Whoa! What is this? Oh, it looks like they have bacteria everywhere, exploding bacteria. If you look here up, you can see it. It looks like a volcano coming up. If you look here up, look here. Look here up. Too cool. This is what it looks from there up.
We need to mention, don't drink it, please.
Never drink it. It smells. Oh my gosh. Dude. Smells like agony.
It looks like snowflakes. Coloring snowflakes.
No, it looks like this. Can I put in more, please? 1. Just see what happened. Whoa. What is happening? What is going to happen?
It's over.
Seriously? Seriously, it's over? Wow, I see like a little coming up. Now you can see they have like little bubbles going up.
Looks like you can have a bath.
Oh, what? No.
Do you have a mosquito?
No.
With a mosquito inside.
No, never. 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 Put more Mentos.
Second experiment with a mosquito inside the glass. How long can he survive?
Let's make 2 in. Let's make 2 in. Let's do 2 in. Let's make 2 first.
Okay, just finish. You say if you like, you press like.
Yeah. Go. Let's try as we pick one of this and see what happens. Is it okay as we try to pick one and then put it in for try? Okay. Always say to your parents as you can do it, as you could. Do it in. Try. It's like soupy. Whoa.
Whoa.
I got the Mentos. I got the Mentos.
No, it's not a Mentos.
I got the Mentos. I got the Mentos. Yeah. I got the Mentos. I'm going to wash it. I'm going to wash the mirror. I'm watching the mirror. Oh no. Darn it. It's coming out. I will know it with this. What? Oh, what? Seriously? I touch it. I touched the Mentos. Yeah. I got it. No. It's like a game. They just gotta try to pick it and then smush it. And like that. Yeah, smush it. I'm going to defeat this monster. Oh no! It fell
You
down.
need to finish. It's game over. Do it.
Oh my god! Game over.
So you try it next time.
Oh my gosh.
Say bye-bye to all people looking at you.
Oh my... I'm getting out of here! That is like angry! Yeah! I'm getting out!